a BMF TV show. So what? I'm dealing with more money than they finna use to create the whole mother TV show. Who gives a and 50 Cent run it out? I don't give a 50 Cent ain't got to do with BMF. That ain't mother sold one dime rock in the park. Man, I don't give a about none of that. All them little weak that he got running around with that shit, man, that ain't shit, boy. Well, I'm finna come outside. I'm coming outside. That's it. That's it, bro. You're gonna have me with BMF and all my people to come out to make it make sense against me or something like that. Man, stop playing. I birthed. Man, watch out. My that was knocking all down. What's up? Them my people. And if they don't like me, them too. How about that? Now, what's happening? All right, I'm off the rah-rah. So let's get back to getting the money. Hey, Ken, 88 East. What's going on, bro? I need some good diamond. I need some diamond. I got some diamond, some GMO diamond over here. Not diamonds that we wear, but Ken, I need me some good diamond, man. I need some good diamond. I got a couple rigs.